Mas lumalakas yung anxiety ko lately, especially kapag kasama ko si Sec Kim.
That's because you're holding back. You need to stop lying to her. The truth will release you from your anxiety. Donnie, it wasn't your fault.
Well, it's not just that, Doc. In my head, alam ko namang wala akong kasalanan sa nangyari kay Sec Kim. And also, she hasn't blamed Ninja Boy even once for what happened.
And what is it?
Sec Kim!
Doc, what if sabihin ko sa kanya yung totoo, then she starts remembering things? I don't want her to be like me.
So what? What is so wrong about you?
Doc, I'm not perfect. I'm constantly haunted by my trauma. I'm on meds 24/7. I can't form any proper relationship with anyone. I can't even kiss the girl I like. Doc, I'm a mess.
Brandon, you are not a mess. You are suffering from PTSD. Sakit yun. And it's not you.
I just don't want her to live a life like this. Like mine.
Is that really the case, Brandon? Or are you just really afraid of rejection? Look, no one knows how Kim will react kung nalaman niya ang totoo. Iba-iba ang reaksyon ng bawat tao.
I'm not gonna risk it.
Hindi naman po kayo ibang tao sa akin, Sir Cyrus. Tinulungan niyo din naman po ako dati. Kaya kung ano man po yung maitutulong ko sa inyo, gagawin ko po.
You should have said something sooner, Brandon. Well, it's too late now. I have feelings for her.
Anya? Is everything okay?
Deserve ko rin naman maging masaya, di ba, Ma?
Of course. Deserve mo lahat ng gustuhin ng puso at isip mo. Pero ngayon, gusto ko nang umalis bago pa uminit ang ulo ng daddy mo. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes po, Sir Walt. Dala ko na po ibang collaterals. Sinintay ko na lang po sila, Steph and Jordy. Thank you po. Yes po, Sir Walt. Got this po. Thank you po. Okay.
Sorry. May pinadaanan pa kasi Sir Philip eh.
OMG, girl! Such a slay. You were giving!
Oh my God! Ano ka ba? Small things. Tsaka 24/7 naman tayo maganda. Nag-ayos lang talaga ako today kasi may event tayo.
Oh, for the event or for someone else?
Bala kayo na ka nagpapaganda. I'm for someone else.
For someone else?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Sorry.
Ay, nako.
Sabi din kami ha.
Sure.
Kami?
Si Maya pala. Taga-marketing. May space po ba?
Yeah, I think meron pa.
Jordy, pa-help naman ako. May kailangan kasi si Miss Jane. Akyatin ko lang.
Sige, sama kita. Uy, hintayin niyo kami ha. Halika.
Kay Marisakay. Nahanap na tayo ni Sir Walt. Dali na.
Paano sila Jordy tsaka Maya?
Maya. tayo. Mamaya na sila, may second trip naman. Halika na! Halika na!
Sir Walt, where are we on the preparations? Na-brief mo na ba si Inigo?
Ito na nga, inassign ko si Sarah para dun sa host pero hanggang ngayon wala pa.
Just assign it to Miss Jane. Kaya niya yan. Kakatawag lang sa akin ni Miss Sarah. Nagkaroon daw siya bigla ng rashes today.
Allergy? Kung ano-ano kasing kinakain?
Sinabihan ko naman na siya na magpa-check up na rin siya kaagad para malaman niya na rin kung ano yun and para safe na din para sa atin.
So we're one man down.
Ano yan, sige? Huwag na kayong mag-alala. Team B the best tayo, di ba? Kaya natin to.
Okay, Kim Marie, please make sure na sabihin mo sa akin kapag nandiyan na yung host. And also make sure to coordinate all of the interview questions kay Miss Jane kasi very particular si Madam Carlota at very strict sa mga pwedeng itanong kay Sir Cyrus. Okay?
Pero I thought kay Morpheus po ako naka-assign.
Special request si Madam Carlota si Sec Kim. Siya ang aalala kay Sir Cyrus. May ETA na pa si boss?
Kakatawag ko lang kanina kay Baldo. Kanina pa daw sila nakaalis ng bahay.
Okay po.
Steph, pakiremind na lang si Sir Philip na siya mag-welcome ng mga VIPs natin. And, Steph? Steph?
Focus!
Yes po. Noted po, noted po.
Noted. Wait lang. Yes? I think they're here.
Si boss?
No, si Sir Cyrus, and he's looking for you.
Okay, sige. Kayo na munang bahala, okay? Sir Walt, ikaw na to.
Yes. Guys, listen up. We have 20 minutes till showtime.
Okay, sige. What? Oh, this looks like another successful event.
Oh, wag okay congratulate mo. My son did all the work.
Sandro, you remember our son?
Oh, Brandon, am I right? Your father can't stop talking about you.
Compadre, this is my eldest son. The one who followed his dreams and succeeded. Cyrus, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, but his fans simply call him Morpheus.
The best-selling author.
Yes.
It's an honor to meet you. My daughter's a big fan.
Pleasure's all mine, sir. Ano, compadre, makita tayo mamaya?
Okay, yeah.
Enjoy yourself.
All right.
There's champagne and canapes there, okay?
Okay.
Oh, the parks are here.
Long time no see again.
Nice to see you, Mr. Park. Mrs. Park, welcome to the event. You know my wife Carlota and my son Cyrus.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Well,
Shall we?
yes. Shall we? Yes.
Ang ganda po, Sir Cyrus. Ang gaan pong basahin. Very heartfelt, tender, and very honest.
You're too kind.
Opinyon ko lang naman po yun. I'm sure magiging bestseller po ulit yan.
First time nila makikita ang mukha ko bilang si Morpheus.
Pag kinakabahan ho kayo, tingin lang po kayo stage right. Nandun po ako para i-cheer kayo. Sige ho, good luck later.
Sandali. I was hoping I could talk to you. May gusto sana akong sabihin sa'yo. Donnie.
Boss, andito na po pala kayo. Pina-check lang ni Sir Cyrus yung speech niya para mamaya.
Well, if he has to do that, then maybe he's not as good a writer as he claims to be.
Boss, Second, Sir Cyrus, magsisimula na po yung program. Dito lang po tayo sa gilid to standby.
In the tempest sea of life, she became my anchor. Once adrift in the dark currents of despair, she arrived as a glimmer of hope.
He's so giving, Miss Kim.